It's Ken here. I love EDC videos and shit. I just wanted to kind of share my work EDC stuff, which I'd make this quick and run by it so I don't get fired. First up, we have a Motorola walkie-talkie, probably at the hotel. Flashlight, of course. High, low, party mode, zoomed in and out, and SOS. Also, tiny flashlight, little backup, pocket clip. One pen, one pencil. One karambit knife. Bought it cheap, like, I don't know, a couple years ago. Maybe like $10. But it'll do the job. One master key of the hotel, so I can get into doors and stuff. Multi-tool. Just in case. And it's got your basic stuff on there. Wallet with a entrance key on there to the hotel. Small memo pad, nothing too fancy. Cigarette case. It's metal, and I don't like clanging around a lot in my pockets, so put the duct tape on there. Kind of silences it a bit. Chapstick. And gloves, just in case. One Zippo. For smoke. And watch. Just ran me like $20 on like Geek. There's also a lighter. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it gets hot. Alright, thanks a lot guys for stopping by and checking out my video. I'll catch you guys next time.